Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of boosting an Instagram post. By following these simple steps, you can increase the reach and engagement of your posts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the post you'd like to boost. Remember to avoid boosting posts featuring images greater than 8 MB. Step 4. Below the post's image, click Boost. Step 5. Fill in the details of your ad by setting the goal, what results you'd like from this ad, audience, who you want to reach, budget, how much you want to spend daily, and duration, how long you want your ad to run. Tap Next once you've completed these details. Step 6. If you didn't link to a Facebook account when you set up your Instagram professional account, you will be prompted to connect an account. You can choose an existing account or tap Skip. If you tap Skip, you won't see this step when you boost future posts. You can still connect a Facebook page to your profile at any time. Step 7. To complete your ad, tap Boost Post under Review. Once you tap Boost Post, your ad will be submitted for review to ensure it meets Instagram's ad policies. Your ad will begin running after it's been reviewed and approved. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.